gotta stay on the sidewalk. Sir, keep your mouth shut. Okay?
How you doing?
Good. How you guys doing?
From out of the state. We got permission from the owner of this warehouse over here.
Sarah, stay in the public easement. You're on private property. Back over here. You gotta stay on the easement.
Listen, my legs are crossed, my hands are handcuffed. Please stand back. Yes. You got a gun. It's a trigger of mine. I know, but it's a trigger of mine. This is causing me anxiety. Please step back and calm down. Please. Please step on the mud. Please step on the rock or something. Stop him in the back lane. He's got his hands like a gun. I just came over here to help. I did not threaten anybody, hurt anybody, oppose God, shoot anybody, anything like that. I am not a threat to anybody or myself. I know my constituents. Okay, I just want you to know that I came over to help Jonathan. I invited him to become part of the community service as entrepreneurs here. I'm an entrepreneur. I came. Okay, so I'm just telling. Can I tell my story? Can I tell my story? Okay, that's fine. It's time to talk. That's part of what I do. Calm down. Okay, that's how I calm down. That's okay, whatever you do. Right? Talk and calm down. That's all good. Okay. So basically better to confirm than, you know, have anxiety attack. Okay, so here's the deal. No, I don't do any medication. No, I don't want any medication. No, I'm having an anxiety attack right now, and it feels like a PTSD attack, and I have had symptoms of Tourette syndrome, which makes, I embarrass myself cussing and stuff when I get triggered, and you know what? I don't know. I do not know. How is my medical status right now? Okay, no, what is my medical status? What's my pulse? No, I can't. This is how I calm down. Let me tell my story. Please, let me tell my story, and that's how I can calm down. So I invited Jonathan to be on the board of the Montgomery County Homeless Coalition. He said no, got all freaked out, and I went back over there and started serving my community again. I saw some guy in an orange vest come by. He told me that he called the railroad police or something because those people over there are trespassing. They're in the restaurant over here. I came over as a service to his community and to Jonathan to let him know that the police were coming and that his customers are trespassing, so in order to save them embarrassment, time, and money, they should move their car. And then he screamed at me and told me to come outside. I stopped like a freaking skunk, and I didn't move. And then you guys came in, put your hands on me, and that's another trigger I have, and I'm freaking out. Okay, so anyway, I'm handcuffed in front of the police car, and I try to help my community. What the fuck? Let me hear your oath, sir. Do you have an oath? Ma'am? Do you have an oath? Can you recite your oath or show me your oath in writing? About 60 because my hands, you know what, they're turning purple and they're locked. Unlock them. Can you come unlock them? Loosen them. My hand is turning purple. Will you please loosen the cuffs? You've heard my story. Does Jonathan's confirm or deny that?
The girl chasing y'all?
My threat to you. I'm just running my mouth. First Amendment right. Please. My hand is turning purple. Please unlock the cuffs. Please unlock the cuffs. I need medical attention. I need medical attention. My hand has got no feeling in it. Please unlock the cuffs or loosen them. My hands. Please. I need my hands.
Sir, turn your light off. Turn your light off.
Why are you letting me go? Why are you letting me go? Get down, don't run. I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm obviously talking about pregnant women moving in woods right now. It is. It's very traumatic. And I asked Jonathan to be on the board to help that. He'd rather have something even a young adult, pregnant, living in the woods. He's not willing to serve his community that wants to be a freaking entrepreneur here. Unless you can get back. You're a piece of shit in my book. So you know what? That's traumatic. Somebody here is making money and not giving back to the community. Not willing to help somebody in need. And they're full of greed. So, I'm fine. I've been able to express myself. Thank you very much. Yeah, honestly.
Well, we have a member of the board of directors of the Homeless Coalition in Conroe, Texas, handcuffed on a police car, receiving medical attention for post-traumatic stress disorder, instigated by the police. And Jonathan of the former Crystal Ice House. They've turned into a bar and restaurant here on the corner of town. That's all downtown Conroe wants, is bars and restaurants and lawyers' offices downtown, resale shops and antique shops. They've been slowly pushing out the homeless, creating city ordinances that criminalize the homeless, making it against city ordinance to congregate. Downtown is the public forum downtown. The courthouse square is surrounded by a business district, which historically is a public forum, First Amendment public forum. And yet the homeless are not allowed to gather and voice their opinion of what's going on in town. They've made a no sitting, no laying down, no smoking, no camping, no trespassing, no loitering ordinances in the city of Conroe. That's what our city council has done at the influence of the business owners downtown. This is Billy Bob Landers reporting here on the streets of Conroe for Conroe Street Outreach. Advocates for homeless rights. We are the people, under the Constitution, are created equal. Whether you own $1 million home or a tent, you are the same, a human being. You should be treated as such. No favoritism, no prejudices, whether you're rich or poor. Because under the Constitution, all men are created equal. And, there need to be some changes on the city council, commissioners court, the judicial system, the police supervision, and the way this is handled should be changed, as we're witnessing today. Sarah, be quiet, Sarah. The sidewalks and the utility easements are public access. The public has access. Sarah, do not say things loud enough for them to hear. Do not interfere. Again. Thank you. You jeopardize everything we're doing. Don't talk to the police. Okay. All right.
All right, he's off. Thank you. All right.
Yeah, I know where it is, but okay, so you're
Okay, we're good. He's out of handcuffs.